Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jeremy, and this is Ideal Gardens. It's Thursday, and it's another gloomy, damp, and miserable day here in the Cotswold. Got my Ideal Gardens cap up, my beanie on, but today is a good day to maintain and take the dead out of the bamboo here. This is Phyllostachys aurea. It's great as a screening plant. As you can see, it's screening this oil tank. But a job that I need to do today, which I've done already, is to start moving the dead stems out. So to get in there with a pair of loppers, your secateurs, or your gloves, and just start yanking out all any dead stems that is inside that. What will happen is it will make the bamboo this year grow better. So you'll get more stems at the bottom here, shoot it up from the base, and then it doesn't get too thick and too um, dense. So if I can move you in there, as you can see there's a lot of dead stems in here. So it's a great day. You can normally sort of take these out, and these will just pop out by your hands, or you can use secateurs or loppers. So if I get my hands in there, you can yank these out, and they'll literally pop out like that. So we're going to work all the way around here. I'm going to remove the ivy. The good thing about feeding bamboo is that the dead leaves that collect around the base do actually provide food for bamboo. So if you do have a bamboo forest or like a grown area, sometimes it's good to leave these bamboo leaves in, because they do provide feed. So as they rot down, they will start to feed the ground and feed the plant. So they grow on a rhizome, or like a running root. So, and then what you can do in a Japanese thing is to remove all the lower leaves all the way up, so that more air and light can get in amongst, and it's easier. And the good thing is, once you've taken the dead out, you can then take the branches off the side of the bamboo dead stick and create your own bamboo canes. So I've got quite a bit over there, and these would be good for later on. See, that's a good one here. You don't need to go and buy a bamboo from the garden centre again, like a bamboo collection of bamboo stakes. You can just use the dead ones that you get out of the centre of your bamboo forest, and make your own collection of stems to use for staking up peas, or your sweet peas, your runner beans, or your dahlias. Got leaves to come out then. So today I'm working on the bamboo, taking out the dead and the ivy down the base here. Anyway, thank you for watching. That's just a quick little tip for growing bamboo. This is Phyllostachys aurea. Join me again soon, and thank you very much for all my recent subscribers. Also have the podcast called the Ideal Gardens Podcast, where you'll get all information about horticulture, garden design. We talk about all the things planting, questions. So please like and subscribe, and have a little podcast called the Ideal Gardens Podcast, which you'll find on all your platforms, wherever you get your podcast from. I've got to get back to it. It's got quite a bit to do, and it's only an hour till lunch, which I'm looking forward to. Anyway, have a good day, stay warm, stay dry, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye for now.